Well, howdy. Welcome to another episode of Baby Cook That Thing. On today's episode, we are making shakshuka. That's a real word. I did not make that up. It means eggs from the Middle East. Actually, that's not what it means, but that's what it is. So, eggs from the Middle East. We'll cook them. We'll eat them. We'll love them. Stay tuned. Okay, shakshuka. Very simple recipe. Just take one medium-sized red bell pepper. Dice it up into, slow-mo, very beautiful chopping. Enough of that. Little tiny pieces, because the smaller it is, the faster it'll cook. And, we like cooking, but we don't like wasting time. So add a bit of oil. Put all your red peppers in there. We're going to add some onion and stuff in here also, but peppers take longest. So let those fry off in medium heat, stirring constantly. Add a bit of salt to help move it along and extract some moisture. And while that's going, chop up 2 small onions or 1 medium-sized onion, also into small pieces, because we want everything to become the sauce. We want little pieces. So add your onions. Once the red bell peppers soften up a bit, add a bit more salt, and always taste so you don't overdo it with the salt. But add some salt, let those fry up just like that, get soft. Next stage, get yourself some garlic in a garlic crusher and crush that garlic right into that beautiful mixture of the onions and the red bell peppers. There's our garlic. Next stage, I didn't show you guys chopping it up, but whatever. It's just a medium-sized red tomato. I peeled it. You don't have to, but you can peel it. That way you don't have skin in the sauce, but sometimes I can't be bothered. So just add that, let it fry up for a bit, and then add some water. After everything softened up a bit, you add some water and let it go with the water, so it's kind of like braising in the water. After about a few minutes, when the water has evaporated, lower the heat and add, what is this? It's around 125 grams. That's something around like 5 ounces, give or take, of tomato paste. So that's what I did. I cooked it out a bit. Then I added smoked paprika. That's what you see here. Next, some black pepper. If you have freshly grated, crushed, whatever, that's even better. And the last thing you saw me add was a bit of cumin, just like 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want to overdo it with the cumin. It's good, but not too much. It becomes bitter. Then mix everything up, mix it very, very well. Add a bit more water, okay, because you want the consistency to be thick, but not too thick, because again, the water's going to evaporate. So you'll see the consistency here and you'll get a feel for what it is. What that was right there is literally 1/3 teaspoon of sugar, just to counteract the sourness of all those tomatoes. Next stage, crack 3 eggs. You want to keep the yolk whole, but if it breaks like it did there, not the end of the world. Then swirl the egg whites in that beautiful sauce so it becomes one with the sauce in harmony and love. Then cover it up. Let the eggs go to your liking, soft or whatever you want. That's it. It's time. The time has come to taste. Now, oh my, do you see this runny yolk mixed with the beautiful tomato veggie thing that we made? I see it, and I'm gonna eat it. Actually, some bread would be good with this, mop up everything. Okay. I praise you, eggs. I praise you, eggs. This is freaking, I don't know what happened there. This is, this is freaking out of this world. I've made this before, but I think because I cooked the veggies out a bit more, got them a bit softer, a bit more caramelized. That's the trick. My God, this is amazing. Follow this recipe to a T, and you should open up a restaurant and serve just, no, don't do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to open up a restaurant serving just this. I'm going to make millions. This is crazy. I'm not like tooting my own horn here, okay? Because this is like where I'm from. I'm from Israel. Everybody knows how to make this, but I don't know. This is so good, man. Please make it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Click on the bell so you can get notifications of whenever I upload another one of these. And comment down below if you have other suggestions of things that you want to see, and we will make it happen. Until next time, baby cook that thing.